Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP. The daily XRP videos that you guys are absolutely enjoying, and the support has been absolutely crazy. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys, but XRP is showing strength, and a lot of things are starting to make so much more sense right now to me. And of course, that's the discussion that we're going to have, and specifically about the price itself as well. So like I said, if you enjoy these updates, smash that like button if you have not done so already, but let's get right into it. But before I do, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So today, of course, is Saturday, and we're seeing some coins starting to see a little bit of a retracement within the price of some of these altcoins. But you're looking at XRP up 4.6% over the past 24 hours. So it's one of the very few coins right now, as of recording this update, literally right in front of you, that's actually up against the broader market. And if you did watch my videos yesterday, just last night, I indicated that XRP actually is holding much better than a lot of coins. And as I've been speaking on the channel over the course of the last few weeks, indicating that XRP's momentum is really being felt. A lot of people were laughing, a lot of people were saying absolutely not, and here we are. It's continuing to outpace majority of the market. So what's really going on? I think there were insider news that these insiders knew before things are starting to come out. Of course, starting with Grayscale, and today, of course, you have seen Robinhood also relist XRP, which we're going to talk about right now. So just a quick reminder for everyone: if you're looking at XRP, it's up 14.1% over the past few days. Of course, I'm sure no one is complaining at that, but let's take a closer look and see what is happening. So first and foremost, what I really want to show you guys is what the broader market thinks. And when I talk about the market, I specifically mean people that are part of the Crypto ZX community. So just last day, I asked you, when do you think the market top will happen? And 2,100 votes have come in. Shout out to each and every one of you guys that voted. You can see majority of the people think either Q3 or Q1 of next year. And if you follow the channel from the beginning, I've been indicating that I am mentally prepared that this bull market top will happen early next year, which is Q1. So as far as these polls show, I kind of agree with this. And of course, people are going to come out and say, what about the super cycle, this and that? I don't think anything changes. I don't personally think anything changes. What I do think will change is obviously the projects with massive utility, that bring real world use case, are the ones that are actually going to be here to stay. But I don't see especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the bear market cycles we have seen in the past. So that's how I'm currently looking at. But of course, we don't know what kind of announcement can come out that could actually cause a super cycle. As of now, I'm just basing it off of historic price patterns, and I'm very interested to find out that majority of the people are pretty much on the same page as me. If you think otherwise, do let me know in the comments. So we're going to come back to the Robinhood thing. I really want to just quickly go over this. So, the BRICS summit is coming up next month, and a lot of people are excited about, mainly, as far as the crypto markets go, most people are excited about, their payment platform, right? Where the cross-border payment platform, which a lot of people want to know whether or not it's with Ripple. But you can see the BRICS bloc announced that 34 new countries have formally applied to join the alliance and are all up for consideration. Vladimir Putin, the president of BRICS founder Russia, revealed the development in a statement. The Russian president said that the bloc is looking for an organic integration of the newest members of the bloc. Putin added that 34 states have expressed interest in the alliance, and there are active discussions within bloc of the expansion. And this is not looking good for the US dollar, guys. As you are seeing more countries, trying to join BRICS, it really goes to show that, a lot of these countries don't want to be reliant on the US, dollar anymore. Hence, you are seeing gold prices going absolutely insane, hitting new all-time high, because of course uncertainty is still there. Believe it or not, of course, market is looking good right now, but FOMC meeting is coming up, which is causing some of these investors to kind of get excited. That we could see a rally occurring in Q4. But let's not ignore the bigger picture. You're still seeing a massive amounts of money going out of the stock market, and those are some things that we cannot be ignoring right now as well. But do let me know your personal thoughts regarding this specific specific thing. But crazy stuff is, looks like Robinhood just listed XRP. Robinhood, please make the following XRP ledger instead of Ripple. XRP is the company, not the network. I totally agree. They put Ripple XRP, but you could see, they relisted. Does this mean they relisted the coin? If you don't know, Robinhood is a huge deal. Reason as to why it's such a huge deal is it's one of the biggest. Of course, some people come out and say Coinbase is, but Robinhood is up there. It is one of the biggest fiat gateways, and sometimes not even a fiat gateway. Some people just like to only trade on Robinhood. Some people only like to trade on Coinbase. They're very user friendly. Some people don't like moving their funds back and forth to wallets or exchanges. So these are platforms where it's easier for these investors, retail investors, to get in, without having all of those technical abilities that you need to know when it comes to crypto, as far as self custody goes. But anyhow, you can see they included this on their website. We know when the lawsuit originally happened, a lot of these exchanges delisted XRP because, of course, regulation. Obviously, regulatory aspect of XRP was still in, the air. People were not clear whether or not what the outcome of this case is going to be. But as we are going down, 4 to 5 years after that, you are starting to see the shift actually occurring now. Robinhood, and on top of that, Grayscale as well. Grayscale XRP Trust isn't something new. I think they got rid of it in 2021, or originally when the lawsuit came out. But you're seeing that flip the switch event really taking place, and the price is definitely reacting to that. You can see Bitcoin dominance index is pretty much still sitting at a yearly high. Obviously, Bitcoin today did see a little bit of a minor pullback once again, pretty much hovering where it was yesterday as I made the update, literally at the neckline of the support. But we actually did see BTC go down to 59,384, I think, which is also a huge reason why we're seeing quite a bit of red across the board today. But in terms of massive red, it's nothing like that. We do need to remind ourselves what's happening on the weekly time frame. But what XRP is doing right now continuously is showing the strength that it has, and we have about 1 hour left before the daily candle closes. And if it's able to do that right now, I would not be surprised if it starts heading towards beginning August levels, which are around 65 cents. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, guys, that is a move of about 10%, and honestly, that can happen sooner than a lot of people think. But definitely it has that momentum for itself. And just like I've been indicating to you guys that XRP is going to fill the wick, and that actually did end up happening. And now you guys know the importance of the psychological key resistance that I've been continuously talking about. Might sound like a broken record at this point, but it's really starting to show how important this resistance really is. And right now, the price of XRP is sitting above that key resistance, which could be due to obviously the Robinhood announcement. And I think if you're looking at XRP's volume right now, $1.17 billion, and almost $34 billion market valuation, speaks for itself. And I still think there is still a majority of the percentage of sideways money on the sidelines right now, because of course the clarity is still not there in terms of that lawsuit. And I think that is going to be the biggest catalyst for the price to go into the 78.6 for the first time in pretty much, I would say, 7 to 8 months. So that is that level that I'm keeping an eye out on. But so far so good, loving what I'm seeing. I'm sure all the trolls are nowhere to be seen, because to the trolls, just a quick reminder, XRP is up about 20% over the course of the last few days. And of course, people are going to come out and say 20% is nothing, but for a project with the market valuation and the amount of uncertainty it still has right now, is quite bullish. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.